Hello, fourth grade. How are ya? Yeah, well, we can't hear you, so I hope you're doing good. We are doing awesome. We are going to be teaching you some math in this weird way that we've never done before. We've also never made a YouTube channel either, so yeah, this is our first.
So, just like all the other YouTubers say, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So you ready to start, Miss Williams?
Yeah, let's go over a couple things first.
Okay, let's go over what you're going to find inside your packet. All right, Miss Williams, I think I have it all ready to go.
All right, so one section that you're going to have is the help pages. These pages are important, okay? You got to read them. I know you don't like to read, but you got to do it, okay? So, this at the top says help page 1, and it also goes with the question page that says use help page 1 at the top. Can you guys see that? Miss Ambrose, can you point to it?
I can, right there. We got it.
All right. So, use help page 1. That means read that page, and it'll explain to you how to do it. But we're also going to go over a couple questions with you, just so you have an idea.
Yeah, and like she just said, the worksheet packet is divided into 16 skills. All of these skills we've already covered this year in class, so this is all a review. So this is going to be things that you know how to do, but we're going to divide it into 16 different lessons, and you're going to do one each day, and we'll do a couple of the questions, and then you'll work on a couple of them on your own.
Yeah, so that means we're going to have 16 videos. Woohoo!
All right, so do you want to go over and start a couple of these questions, Miss Williams?
Yeah, let's do number 1.
All right, that sounds great.
All right. Which expression shows the best way to estimate the perimeter of a square that has a side length of 346 centimeters?
Oh, there's a whole bunch of words in there, Miss Williams, that we probably should talk about. First of all, perimeter, what does that mean?
I think it's how far around a shape it is.
Oh, that sounds like a good answer. And then the next thing is a square. Ooh, to figure out the length of a perimeter of a square, I probably need to know what a square means.
Oh, we all know this. The square is a quadrilateral, right?
Oh, that means it has
Four
sides. All right. And now let's look at it. It says that it has a side length of 346 centimeters. So let's look at our choices. Uh-oh. None of them say 346. So what should we probably do?
Well, there is a key word in there that says estimate.
Oh, it does right there. Estimate. So that means we need to round. So we need to round the number 346 to the nearest 10. So you guys all know what's coming now. Are you guys ready? We're going to round to our nearest 10. So we're going to circle the digit, move to the right, and underline it. 0 through 4. The circle stays the same. 5 through 9.
Adding 1 is our game.
So we need to add 1 there to our tens place. So if we say 4 plus 1, that's going to make it a 5. And remember, the rap continues that everything to the right becomes a 0, and everything to the left stays the same. So if we round 346, the closest number is going to be 350, and we said it was a square, so that's a quadrilateral, which means it has 4 sides. So let's look at our choices.
Well, the only one that matches that, Miss Ambrose, is D.
Okay, so what we want you guys to do on your worksheet is we want you to circle this answer, and then also there's a bubble sheet in your document that you are going to want to bubble that answer in for us, so it'll be easy grading. You think we're good with that one?
Yeah, let's go to number 2.
All right, let's go on to number 2.
The table below shows the total inches of rain during different months of the year. So we've got January that had 8 inches, March has 14 inches, April has 17 inches, July has 4, and October has 7 inches. Which statement best describes the data shown in the table?
Oh, best describes. So that probably means we're going to have to look at these choices and figure out which one is true. Remember, anytime that you're looking at any of your choices, if any part of the choice is false, that's not the correct answer. So let's look at those choices.
All right, F. There was more rain in March than in other months.
All right, let's go up here to this table. March has how many inches of rain?
14.
14. So it says more than any of the other months. Can you guys look really quick and see if any of the other numbers are more than 14?
I hope you see April.
Oh, yes. April has 17. So that means that F is false because March does not have more than April.
All right, what about G? October had the least amount of rain.
Ooh, that's a key word right there, least.
Least, yes.
Least means the smallest amount. So let's look at our other months. Do any of the other months have smaller numbers than 7?
Yep.
Ooh, right there. July only had 4 inches of rain. So October does not have the least amount of rain, which makes G not the correct answer.
Okay, what about H? It rained the most in the month of April and the least in the month of July.
Ooh, that's a 2-part question. We have to make sure both of those parts are correct. So if we look, does April have the most? April has the most. Is that true?
Yes, because 17 is the biggest number.
And it says that July is the least. Is the number 4 the smallest number that we see there?
It is.
It is. So right now, I'm going to put a dot right here next to H because I am pretty sure that that's the correct answer. But let's go ahead and look at J to see if it is incorrect.
Okay. So J says July and October had the same amount of rain.
July has 4, October has 7.
Those
That's
are not the same.
So that is not true. So that means H must be the correct answer. So remember, we're going to circle that answer, and then we're going to go to our bubble sheet and bubble that in.
All right.
So you're going to do the other problems on your own. And if you guys have any questions, remember you can contact us through our emails.
Right, and our emails are going to be in the description. And also, you know we love IXL, so we will also have an IXL assignment for you to do if you have access to that at home. Don't forget, we're going to have 16 videos, so be sure to watch each one that goes with each lesson. And if you were not able to come and pick up a packet, the link to these pages will be in the description box.
All right, Miss Williams, that's pretty much it for day 1. What do you think?
I think that's done.
And that's our first YouTube video.
Woohoo!
All right, we look forward to hearing from you guys. So let us know if you guys have any questions with those emails. You can also comment. Don't forget to let your friends know that these videos are available. And we will see you later.
Bye, guys.